Increasing the span of human life, increasing our happiness, increasing the well-being of our state of mind. We have the ability to analyze these things for the global public health. We have the ability to determine health now by going to us as individuals and finding out what is it we do that these actions have and these outcomes that lead to certain pieces of our health and the health of others. We need to take the stance of asking everybody across the globe what their measure of health is. And there are foundations, the World Health Organization, government groups that are affording the time and the resources to do so. But they lack the availability to reach those individuals across those borders, to actually meet them in their homes. Now we can use data to analyze that, and through that analysis, through that economic uplifting of those individuals, we can analyze their health states. We can analyze their emotional and mental states. And once we find concordance around these things, a great understanding, a shared measurement between human beings about what it means to find health, that's when we can achieve those things around global public health. And that will happen with the onset of sharing our data. Listen, the measurements of how we determine health in a developing country versus a developed country are completely different. The challenges that people face in the United States or a place like Rwanda are completely opposite in those spheres. So when we go to analyze these measurements, when we go to look at that data, we need to find the respect and perspective of the individuals right there in that geography. Because how they determine their own health is going to be the thing that is significant for health for people moving forward in the future. Because shoving everybody into one box and says one size fits all is the model we've used for too long. And in that model, that one-size-fits-all model, we have lost all the special characteristics of that human being, all the special characteristics of what makes their health healthy, what makes their mind their own. And so we need to make sure that we look at this in a global perspective, that when we look at the public health, we have the ability to analyze data and compare it properly from the individual.